Okay, good morning, Cochrane. This is Dude Kitchen. My name's Adam, and this is
Aston.
This morning on Dude Kitchen, we're going to try and come up with a nice and easy, quick recipe, just to give everyone a bit of fun and to show what you can do with stuff laying around in the kitchen and come up with a really nice evening meal. We're going to be cooking it in our crock pot. We've got a few ingredients here, so let's just go through those. What are we putting in this mash-up today? Well, we've got leftover from roast dinner, we've got a potato, peas, carrots, we've got sausages, bacon, cheese, and I use the word cheese in the loosest sense of the word. It is, of course, just orange plastic. Freshly cut lettuce, some baked beans, mini corn, we've got some rice, 2 different types of French fries, and of course you can't go wrong with a bag of Doritos. Okay, so Aston, the very first thing we need is the plate with the roast potato on. You're a big fan of roast potatoes, aren't you?
Yeah.
So we're just going to slice these up. We have washed our hands, so don't worry about that. Alright, Aston, let's give you these over here. Aston, if you could get the roast potato slices, pop those in the bottom. I have greased the bottom of the crock pot just to allow for, or to stop any burning or anything like that. Aston, if you want to tip these French fries in, should be open already. Yeah, put a handful of these ones in as well. We just like to make it up on Dude Kitchen here. A few more. Okay. Alright, now next ingredient, we're going to put a layer of cheese on top of the potato. So not all of it, Aston, just yeah, maybe a bit more than that. Sprinkle that on. Let's do a little bit more than that. That looks good. Alright, what's next? Ooh, peas and carrots. Can't go wrong with those. Bit of healthiness. Alright, Aston, if you'd like to layer the bacon on, then chuck the sausages on.
All of them?
Yeah, no, literally just chuck them in. There we go. Just roughly laid out there. Great stuff, this is looking good already. Okay, now a little bit more cheese. Can't go wrong with cheese. Great stuff. And then if you'd like to put the corn on the cob in.
I hate these.
You got it? Just tip them and they'll probably just fall out. I don't know whether we need all of those, so I would put in half to begin with. Come on, put your back into it. Well, that'll be all of it then.
Well, you said put your back into it.
Alright, now we're going for rice next.
Alright.
1/3 of a cup of rice. Sprinkle that in. Excellent. Baked beans. Oh yes, that looks good. Here, do you need a spoon for that?
No.
You got it? Okay, careful. Let's scrape those out. Alright, we'll mash those around a little bit. Now, my theory is that the juice from the corn and the beans will interact with the rice and cook the rice nicely. Now, Aston, we need some healthiness in our meal. So I'm thinking lettuce. So if you'd like to pop the lettuce in, please. Good grief, man, there are 2 of us. We're eating for 2. Pop some more lettuce in. Okay, that's good enough. We got the healthy in there. So we have got all the major food groups in. We've got potatoes, bacon, sausage and cheese. What else could we put in there to increase the vitamins, the minerals, the overall healthiness of our meal? Anything else we can put in?
I got an idea. Multivitamin.
Oh, yes. And luckily, we do have some multivitamins here. So, we'll get a couple of multivitamins. We'll scrunch those up. and add those. So that makes the meal healthy. Now we are going to add a little bit of, now this for the North Americans amongst us is called Worcestershire sauce, not Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of that in, just to give it a hint of flavour. A little bit of ketchup, Heinz obviously.
Oh no.
Put a bit of that in. Now the pièce de résistance, I like this a lot. Just clean the old hands up there.
Chip?
We're going to be putting some Doritos.
Don't crunch them up.
And you've got to crunch them up. Crunch them up nice and small. I quite fancy doing a bit of this as well. Now, do we need any more, or is that good enough?
I see some more.
Just a few more, okay. Alright. And then, for the nacho topping, we'll have the rest of the cheese. Aston, you want to get some of that? So, this is crock pot mashup. It's all ready. It's looking pretty healthy. We're going to pop that in to the crock pot, put the lid on, 8 hours, and we'll see you back here for dinner. Alright, lid on. And good to go. And here we are, folks, about 3 hours later, looking and smelling pretty good. Another couple of hours, we'll be good to go. Welcome back to Dude Kitchen. 7 hours later, and Aston here is going to take a look at what we've created for dinner.
It smells really good. The nachos and the cheese look really good. Baked beans down in that corner do not look the best. Corn looks good, I can see a bit of it.
So, overall, what do we think?
I don't think it's going to be that good.
Oh, ye of little faith. What's the matter?
This is not going to be good.
It's going to be fine. Alright, as you can see, I decided to get dressed today. My apprentice here decided to just stay in his housecoat all day and be a slob.
I don't feel good.
Alright, here we go. Oh, this feels good. Let's get right in the bottom there. Actually,
That does not look good.
you've got sausage, everything. Hang on, let me give you this piece of corn. Try a bit of rice there, just to see if that rice is cooked. And we need first impressions. A little bit of sour cream.
The rice is actually really good.
Is it? Winner, winner.
Like, the stuff that's been sitting on it has actually made the rice really good.
Alright, so I'm going to have a mouthful, you have a mouthful, let's get a bit of bacon and everything.
It's really hot, Dad. The rice almost burnt my mouth.
Here we go.
The corn is so hard to get through.
That is totally edible. Could have done with a little bit more flavour in it, I think. But we have created crock pot mashup. It's fine. It's good. It's edible. And what do you think, Aston?
It tastes like I ate a raw potato. It tastes like potatoes.
Well, that's good. We've got potatoes in there. Alright, so first episode of Dude Kitchen complete. We're thinking of making another one, and we think it's going to involve English pancakes. So let us eat all this food and get over this, and then we'll maybe move on to episode 2. Or, as Aston said, maybe we'll be giving Domino's pizzas a call. Alright, till next time. We'll see you later.
See you guys.